Hi, my name's Sabrina. I'm from London in England. So I not long ago purchased the instasmile, the clip-on veneers. So I'm not happy with my teeth. I mean, like over the years, drinking coffee, a lot can affect the way your teeth look, and mine just was stained, and I had this one that is now chipped, and it's just not the colour I want it to be. It doesn't look how I want it to look. I'm not happy with the teeth, so I decided to go on instasmile and purchase some clip-on veneers. I wanted both up and the bottom, so I purchased the dual, the classic BL1 straighter. So it's the brightest white, and it's like just perfectly straight. So yeah, I got to set my impressions. Had a bit of problems doing it because I don't know what I'm doing, but gave them a call and they were so helpful. They helped me do my impressions, and then finally sent the impressions off, and then received my clip-in veneers, which I was super excited about. And then obviously I received them, so they come in this little pot. You just open it, have a mirror. Here they are in there, so I'll just pop them in. So this is my teeth now. Very stained and very crooked, and here is very chipped, so I'll put them in and we'll see the transformation. And I just clip in. Perfect smile. Since having these, they have absolutely changed my life. I don't have to spend thousands of pounds on a treatment that, I don't know how it all works, but I can, smile, I can talk to people and laugh. Before I was hiding and I didn't want to show my teeth, but I love them. I think they've really changed my life. They've really helped me, and I'm going to continue buying instasmile products. Very impressed. So yeah.